Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. This video is all about how to redeem promo codes in WEBTOON step by step. If you're looking to unlock exciting rewards on WEBTOON, you've come to the right place. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss helpful guides like this one. Step 1. First, launch your preferred browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you use regularly. Step 2. Next, type WEBTOON promo codes into the search bar and hit enter. Step 3. From the search results, click on a website that offers promo codes for WEBTOON. Look for reliable sources that update their codes frequently. Step 4. Once you're on the website, scroll through the available promo codes. These are usually listed with a short description of what they offer, like free coins or discounts. Step 5. Check the expiration date for the promo code you want to use. Make sure it's still valid to avoid wasting time on expired codes. Step 6. Now copy the valid promo code. Highlight the code and press Ctrl-C on your keyboard, or if you're on mobile, just long press and select Copy. Step 7. Go to the official WEBTOON website. Open a new tab in your browser, type in webtoons.com, and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 8. Navigate to the Redeem Code section. You'll usually find this option in the account settings or under the Rewards menu. Step 9. Paste the promo code into the designated field. Use Ctrl-V or the paste option on your device to do this. Step 10. Finally, click on the Redeem button to apply the promo code. If the code is valid, you'll see the rewards added to your account immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.